What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler and this is Earth's Cuisine. So the Mythical Kitchen here on YouTube came up with a peanut butter and jelly chicken sandwich, and I thought it looked pretty neat, and so I decided I wanted to try to make a vegan version. So that's what we're going to do today. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So for this recipe, you'll need some kind of frozen vegan breaded chicken patties, a pretzel bun, some vegan butter, some bread and butter pickles, 1 cup of grape jelly, 3/4 cup of peanut butter, 3/4 cup of rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons of warm water, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of chili garlic sauce, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1½ teaspoons of paprika, and 1½ teaspoons of red pepper flakes. All right, without any more delay, let's get cooking. All right, and here we have our vegan peanut butter and jelly chicken sandwich. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.